IR night vision camera recorder dash camera. Okay, dash cam. Ultra HD dash cam. Rear camera and inside camera. Built-in GPS. Built-in Wi-Fi. 3-channel camera. Front camera. This one is front camera. This one is inside camera and rear camera. Okay. If you want to buy this product, please check video description. Already 44% discount. 89. This one is actual price and this one is discount price. 800 plus sold, 200 plus reviews. If you want to buy this product, please check video description. Thank you so much for watching this video. 3-channel dash cam, front, inside, rear, 3-way curve dash camera, 2K plus 1080 pixel, dual channel with GPS, Wi-Fi, IR, night vision camera recorder. Thank you so much for watching this video. For orders, please check video description.